Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. That over here. So, yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. And we're back with another stream. So yeah. Hope you guys are doing well, chat. Hope you guys are doing well. Looking like we're in some similar situations to yesterday. A little bit higher up on GJ, and Goldie's still here. Okay. So let's take a look at Goldie first. So Goldie, the daily candle firstly is closed bearish below, which is nice. Okay, it's the first time we've actually closed bearish below a line. If you actually look to the left hand side here, if you draw this, close below. So first closure below, which is good. I think that is rather nice. So in terms of realistically in the daily time frame, what you'd expect is you'd expect this candle to, you know, potentially make a top wick, pull up a little bit, reflip, push bearish, and maybe fill the previous wick. That could be a sign. But right now, I mean, the daily is bullish. We're pushing up pretty hard. The 4 hours, obviously, nearly about to break the previous high as well. Just there. Okay. The hourly 30-minute, yeah, coming in towards, you know, a little bit higher, back up to 1905. If you look at the 50% area here, we're above Asian 50%. We kind of made support there as well. So yeah, I mean, you know, looking like we are coming up, retracing. Saw these massive sells yesterday with the news, but again, the retracement was pretty hard. So yeah, now Goldie's coming up. We're coming back up to Asian high, all this kind of stuff here. Coming back up to where I saw resistance, which I think for me is, yeah, I mean, you know, obviously we have this Asian high here. We have a lot of resistance, to be fair, a lot of rejection around this level. But I think potentially a 30-minute closure above would be realistic to continue, maybe to fill all the way up to 1910. Yeah, wow, how far did this push? Damn. All the way to 1911. Back up to there. So yeah, I think, you know, even though the daily candle has closed bearish below, again, it's still a rejection area. We've rejected again. I actually think we could potentially get some buys over here. Take a look at the 15. You can start to maybe see a little bit more where you'd want buys. We have a lot of resistance here. Yeah, we have a lot of rejection there as well, which is a little bit hard. But in terms of the gold, I mean, maybe a buy above 1905.7 to then run to 1907. Somewhere around there. So you can maybe get this push. Again, though, I mean, you know, because the higher time frames are more bearish in terms of the daily closure, it's just a hard, choppy area. You've got to just buy supports really here to get in. So, again, I kind of want Goldie to just get out of this zone. I think that would be for the best. In terms of GJ over here, actually, well, let me just take a look at some other things on Goldie 1 sec. So yeah, the weeklies are filled. The wick's up. The daily candle's closed below. It's retesting right now. The 4 hour has closed bullish. So it's kind of contradicting, right? The 4 hours are rejecting, holding support. The daily's closed very bearish, making a top wick. So it's just a little bit too hard. Good morning, Andrea. Hope you're doing well. What do you think of a Goldie this morning? It's got some nice wick fills above, but again, it's a little bit hard. A little bit hard. Yeah, me too, but I think it's just how far up. You can maybe look for above 1907 as well, to be fair. That could be quite nice. Mm. So you're thinking above the Asian high, yeah, 1905. Yeah, I mean, on the lower time frames as well, stepping up, which is good. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how 1905.7 closes, I think. For me, there's quite a lot of wicks. Are you waiting till after news for GJ? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I probably will. CPI, interest rates, very, very important. Still charted up. Again, another daily candle closure on GJ. The 4-hour time edge retraced. Yeah, I got an alert later on yesterday for the retracement, which I was looking for really yesterday. For this to come back down and retrace to hit this level. So yeah, looking like the candles are quite slow through Asian here. But yeah, we've got some big news. CPI, very, very important for London. Sorry, for the UK right now. So that is to be expected. Okay. So yeah, maybe you retest 184,632, and then you'll have to see. Obviously, as I said, the news is coming out later on at 7 o'clock, I think. So just wait until the news comes out. Obviously, we have support, resistance. These are kind of the zones that we're working with. So if you got a closure maybe after this news back above 184, 185 flat, you can maybe get some buys back up. That zone's like 27 pips as well, so that's quite good. And yeah, we'll see. I mean, for the most part, I'd rather wait for the CPI for pound to come out. So yeah, left is a disaster on gold. Yeah, it's just, yeah, a little bit of a disaster. But again, it's okay. The daily's closed bearish below. Again, though, yesterday it's still respected 1900, man. I just don't think we're gonna get a nice push below. Obviously, we did with news here, but 1900 just held so well. Yo, Kiko. Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Good morning.
Jesus, man, my nose is closed.
Mate, you're ill as well. Shit, Dennis has been ill. A lot of people are ill at the moment.
Yeah, it's Corona 3.0.
Yeah.
But no way they're gonna lock me up anymore.
Yeah. How you been doing? How was yesterday? I saw you took some nice entries in gold. You just buying the supports. Good though.
Yeah.
Holding. It was holding.
Yeah, man. Okay, if you look at yesterday, right? Around New York, what setup did I take? Of course, I took the entry like 1898, but after that one, I took another entry, another buy. Do you see what I took? You know me. What do I like?
It depends with what time frame was it on?
30 minutes.
Okay, that'd be a salary. Yep. Was it this one here? No. So many on there as well.
Yeah, I took the 30-minute salary.
Yeah, that's nice, bro.
Yeah, man, it was really nice. I did close a bit early. I could have held there longer, but I closed at 1907, 06.
That's good, yeah. That's main resistance there. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Do you enter the transaction before the announcement or after? For GJ, I'll wait for the news to come out, yeah. Look. CPI is so important right now, right? It's a change in the price of goods and services, so it's basically seeing if the inflation is going up and seeing if the interest rates are working. They expect it to be going down, which is good, so we've got to see. And if it goes down again, then we should see some movement. So yeah, I mean, for me on Goldie, I think, again, it's still just a little bit choppy above here, and I don't want to be caught in these gold buys in this fucking area. I think the easiest thing for me to do is probably wait. 1907, 1908. I think this zone is a little bit easier than the one below. For me, there's too much rejection in here, so I'll look for buys above here, 1907.8. 1907.8. So you're at the gym yesterday, Kiko? You getting the work in, boy?
Bro, I'm really at my best at the moment. I'm bulking again as well. Bro, I've been eating a steak every day. Just every day. A 350 gram plus steak.
Jeez.
And then just normal food. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I've been bulking for 3 years.
Dedication. And I printed the book out because I'm tired of fucking spending money on books.
Oh,
From what I've read, it's really good. It's called Time is Money from Aidan something, and it's about procrastination. Yeah, it's good.
Procrastination, boy.
Quite easy to read as well. I'll send you a photo of it.
Send it over.
Because I think you should be reading more.
100%.
You're still on the 12 lessons.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's quite a difficult read, right?
Yeah. It's just the time of the day, man. I want to do it before bed, but
yeah, but what I've noticed about you is that you need to be constantly triggered. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%.
Stimulated. That's why TikTok and things.
Very, very true, boy.
If you get used to it, it's quite pleasurable. Like the first couple of times, it's kind of, I don't know.
Yeah.
Not that good, but gets better.
What are you looking for then, Keeks, this morning?
I wanted the gold salary.
Hourly?
But it's kind of slow, so.
Yeah, I think it's still just.
But the daily closing bearish kind of, I don't know.
Yeah, ruins the kind of buys.
I really thought we were gonna close above again.
Yeah. It's still at 1900. That's propping up.
Yeah, we shouldn't have closed below, but we came all the way up.
Yeah.
You see how we came to it? Would you call that an order block? The salary on the daily? Like 2 days ago.
That would be called an IC now. Interruption candle.
Interruption candle.
Yeah,
okay.
It has an interruption there.
Yeah.
So
but you see how not yesterday, but the previous one, they're not closer below to the left.
Yeah.
I was looking for buys like the whole day.
Yeah. So you should minus the big support. But now if it goes below, it's hard for the. We just need to see one fucking fat candle. Next low wick. Boom. So yeah, guys, people on the YouTube, if you guys are just chilling and maybe thinking that you're not taking many trades, it's all good. The trades that Don's been taking in NY's been, pretty good because he's just buying support, waiting for the retracement, timing it right.
Yeah, he's been doing well.
Yeah, man. I think every single one I've actually liked because I know as well, like the retracements before 2 o'clock can be quite nice, especially when the support's there. So just getting in at the most advantageous point there is good. especially for R2R, like you can get a bit more out of the move as well, which is good. But in terms of like, clean closures, finding your zones, there's just nothing here. So yeah, you gotta either chill about and just relax. Yesterday on NY stream, I was just fucking ironing my clothes, waiting for this zone to pop. Or you try and be getting a bit aggressively. It's down to you, but just don't try and take the normal trades maybe you were doing before, like trying to get in clean closures or whatever, because they're just not going to be there.
Yeah. Feel the market has definitely changed, so
yeah, but I'm feeling much more relaxed with it now. Like I'm just chilling with it. Before I was getting pissed off about it because it's just so frustrating. But actually, it's like, well, I know for a fact it'll turn back again and it'll be all nice and clean, and we could take some nice trades. But just right now, it's time to chill. It's not a bad thing. Just gotta let it get on with it. There's no time limit. There's no ticking time bomb that you need to take trades on. Just chill out. If this zone will break. In NY, in Asian, what did we do? Yeah, we retraced, hit 1900, retraced again, and yeah, GJ didn't really do anything. That's all good. Make sure you like the stream, guys, as well. Make sure you like the stream up. Helps me out. And also, I say 150 likes, we'll do a little giveaway as well. My belly's rumbling, man. I'm fucking starving already.
Bro, I just literally had the same. But you're not starving.
Nah,
you're just addicted to foods.
Yes, they didn't eat too much. I'm doing better recently.
It is crazy that the more I eat, the more I want to eat.
Yeah, recently I've been making like ramens, like proper big ramens, and just fucking drinking all of it, and that fills me the fuck up. And it's just water.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like noodles, loads of like water on it, loads of flavoring. It used to help quite a lot. Hello, Rishal. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, I think we just got to be patient with this. Later on, yeah, NY is not bad at all, which is good. Some housing permits, but nothing too important there. Which is good. Oh yeah, May L, I'll take a look at that, and NY, we'll take a look at some exposing person.
What?
Yes, talking about some Forex trader who's like scamming. Well, not scamming, but like paying people back or something. So let's have a look at that.
You know what it is? Everything bad that I've done in life, I got karma for. So.
Coming back and bite your ass.
Yeah.
Nah, you're doing well, man. You're in a good state. You're looking good. You're feeling good. You got a job on the side. You're doing a side hustle. You're reading. You keep yourself fit. It's good balance, bro. Proud of that. That's good shit. That's what I'm trying to get back to.
I'm actually trying to build an office now in my room. I'm trying to make an office, so I'm more. Yeah, I know. When I'm home, that I'm more on. Sometimes I can just get distracted when I'm home.
Yeah, get yourself to IKEA, bro.
Yeah, no, I need to hang up my TV because then I can I can use the table that it's standing on, and then I can push my fridge to the other side, and I can use that screen that I bought. So.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Bro, the screen is on the floor for like it's been on the floor for a week. I haven't even touched it.
What?
Yeah,
That's crazy.
yeah, man. And what you were saying, I feel like it in terms of fitness, it helps me to have like my friends.
100%.
Um, but yeah, you need to find that shit in yourself, man.
Yeah,
Just
my
getting used to it, to be honest.
yeah, exactly. My friends, I've fucking asked them. I've said to them like, join Valentine's. They're, oh, it's too expensive. These motherfuckers are on like 40 grand a year. They can afford it. They're just being fucking tight assholes.
Yeah, just your
They're
priorities, man.
both yeah, I know. They're not in the best space. The people I hang around with need their flats are like
I
fucking
I don't
trashed.
know.
They're just not.
I don't know who needs to listen to this, but working on your health and your fitness will literally it will fulfill things in your heart that you don't even know you need. So, I feel like everyone should be at least once in their life at the best physical shape possible.
Yeah,
Like
100%.
ev- everything in your life will change. How people talk to you, how everything in terms of just respect. People will see that discipline that you're putting into yourself and into your health, and will respect you more for it. So
100%. I already did my yoga this morning, boy.
yeah, man.
Get that shit done
You know
straight
what's
away.
crazy? I don't know if he's here, but someone in the group followed me on Instagram last night, and I was looking for his photos, and I was like, I DM'd him. I said, bro, believe me, start hitting gym because you have a lot of potential, and if you do that, I promise you won't regret. Like,
Yeah.
so I don't know, man. Every man should fucking feel strong at least. You don't need to be insanely crazy strong, or
Yeah.
you just need to feel capable.
The thing is for me as well, the reason why I kind of backed off it as well is because my shoulder was injured, so it's kind of, I
And
can't even
bro,
feel the full
I
potential.
was benching once, and my shoulder came out of socket, and then when I used to pick up a glass of water, my shoulder would just pop out, so I couldn't train for a long time. But you need to start somewhere. Like
I need to
you need to build the confidence into your shoulder back.
Yeah, there's some exercise I've seen on TikTok where the guy like proper like just gets it removable again. Yeah, it just feels like it nips. It's not the nicest feeling.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. I felt it yesterday. Even we were
Mm.
like we were playing padella, and then I tried to do like a tennis serve, and like I just felt my shoulder just like tick again. For fuck's sake. Mm.
So yeah, I mean we'll see on this GTA. Needs to go back and test, but yeah, the news is gonna be most important. News. Morning, people. Happy trading. Morning, Mara. Hope you're doing well, brother.
Bro, this girl just followed me, man. It's fucking 7 a.m. Why are you following me at 7 a.m.? What are you doing?
Hunting.
She's on a mission.
They're hunting, boy.
I'm hunting too. I'm a hunter.
So I hope this does come out. Oh, yeah, so we got 3 minutes left for the CPI to come out. We got 3 minutes left. Let's see what we're gonna get. I think Messi scored again last night.
That shit is rigged.
Yeah, he's.
Neymar's going to Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Arabia.
Yeah. He's
Saudi
getting
Arabia.
paid bank.
Gets a private jet, servers. Oh my
That's
days.
sick. That is not bad, that, eh? Not bad at all. I wonder how they're trying to get into like the Champions League and stuff. Like, how do they prove that?
They have to at this point, like.
But how do they prove? Like, how do they get into it? You know, it's like it's not like they're not even there. Like, how do they bribe?
No, but it can't be that the Champions League based on a certain couple of countries. If your league is popping, you have to include them.
Yeah, but what is a league popping? Like, how can you base it off anything if you're not playing anyone else in different leagues? You know what I mean? Like,
well, if you have last year's Ballon d'Or winner, I feel like you should put the country in it. Like, they have Benzema now.
Yeah. They'll pay you for some crossover. Yeah, I was thinking I'll just fucking pay him in it. I think it'll be much quicker than you think. I think it might be like next year. That's class though. Imagine like having a full like footballing career, then at the end of your career you just dip there for fucking tons of money. You're like, yes.
What a life, man. Come on.
Wait, I've been seeing like videos like Nemanja Vidic, like old football players. They're like, do you wish you were playing right now? He goes, yes, the money. He said, the fucking money I'd be paid right now would be so much more.
It's actually crazy. I always find it very interesting that the people who are into an entertaining business get paid a shit ton of money.
Yeah, 100%. Well, all it is, you need to remember this, right? This is a thing I was thinking about recently. The only way to make money in any aspect of life is to have eyes on you. Now, either that's directly or indirectly. It's eyes on you.
We live in an attention economy.
Well, it's not just attention. It's like that's just one part of it. But again, like if you make something that everyone has eyes on, then you're gonna make a lot of money. You know what I mean? It's not just you. A lot of people you see right now, it is you. You know, if you're a footballer, you have loads of eyes on you. If you made Facebook, you have loads of eyes on the thing you were made. If you, anything. If you make, whoa. God, look at GJ. Look at the spreads. Oh, fuck.
Wait, shit. I'm not looking.
So, looking like it's pushed bullish.
You know what's crazy is that was it yesterday when the news came out? I was actually in buys.
Oh my god!
And then I saw the news and I was like, oh, let me get out of this. And then, bomba clat.
Yeah. So let's see how this comes out. Pending 6.8. Okay, it's a little bit less than expected, but not bad. But still going down. Still going down. Like it still went down 1.1%, which is good.
I feel like if you take a buy now, you're good. But I'm not gonna take it.
It's very close to what it was expected, so I don't actually expect this to push much. So again, the reason why, you have some volume at the start just with a bit of a push, but the reason why a lot of them retrace is because if you look again, like I always discuss, right? Why is this pound just retraced? Well, because the actual was very, very close to the forecast, so it was already priced in. Yeah, you got a bit of a spike, maybe because it was a bit more than expected, but for the most part, it'll come back down to the same levels because it was already priced in. That's just how it works. So that was okay. Still want to really go retest 640 first, then we can maybe look for buys later on. Maybe.
Oh my days, man. Instagram's not good for my soul, man.
Why? I better go on Instagram, bro.
Fucking hell. Look at this.
What? You don't have your camera on. Oh,
I'll DM it to you. This is little baby, his baby mama. Oh my fucking god.
Oh, there's a Man City game on tonight. Get it. Lord have mercy.
Mercy on my soul.
Man, I'm going to this festival next week, man.
You didn't invite me? Come on, man.
Look at it. It's a fucking... It's in a forest.
I might go Elro. Wait, let me look.
It's like
What is this? This looks like an Elro type of thing.
yeah, it's like... See, look at it.
24th of August. Oh, Lost Village.
Yeah. It's in a proper, like...
You know what? I'm gonna be honest here. Is I don't find English women that attractive. So I think I need to go like to Spain or so. I know Spain's not that good as well. But I need to go like to an international one. I want to see all types of people.
Yeah, he'll be pretty. Wait, what did you say? Lost Village is going to be lively? Yeah, we'll see. It looks pretty cool. I saw on TikTok that video.
Max is gonna be lost in his own mind.
You've got
Hello.
like yoga and
I've
shit.
decided to stop.
Oh, fuck off.
Lost Village. Let's see.
Yeah, this is
Oh, outfit check. No, that's true. Fuck, Mark. Now I want to go there. Okay. How much are the tickets?
that looks sick.
What? £300.
Yeah, I think so.
At last, all the bridges have been opened, man.
Sick.
What is this, man? This ain't lonely.
And it's not like full of like fucking young like gimps. It's full of, like...
Yeah, I got the K in the back. No, bro. Those festivals, I only use a pop a pill in a piece. I already feel my jaws.
Well, and this weekend I'm going to Manchester to do the skydiving, the indoor skydiving thing. That'd be quite cool.
Oh, I've been there. The one, you mean in the city, like Great Manchester?
Yeah.
I was there when I was a kid.
I think it's... Yeah, I think I've seen this. I
fly, yeah.
That was gonna be sick.
Your mouth is gonna be dry. Close your mouth. Close your mouth, boy.
Wait, what? UK inflation is special didn't drop a single point from last month. Nah, it did. Oh no, yeah, it did. It was previous to 7.9. Excluding them, it didn't. Yeah, excluding food, energy, alcohol, and tobacco, it didn't. But other stuff, it did. I wonder where Dennis is. I think he's still pretty ill. To be fair, it's still early, 7 o'clock. I've been coming on at 7 recently because there should be fuck all going on. gold's still right at this Asian high, but again, as I say, it's just contradicting on the higher time frames. The 4 hours just broke the previous high. The daily's closed bearish below, so it just makes it hard to find the direction for this morning.
One color I do not like is red. I don't know why.
What, really?
Yeah.
Nice red.
I like green
What type of green now?
and white. I wear green, white, black, and gray. That's pretty much it.
I've been liking light blue tops recently. I've been wearing them lots.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, light blue is also nice. You cannot have to wear things that like match your, I don't know, your colors.
Yeah.
I have like green eyes, so no. Had some looking into my eyes.
Bruh. I've just got Maltesers for eyes.
Maltesers?
Yeah.
Damn.
I do. The Maltesers.
Did you know your eyes are actually part of your brain?
What?
Yeah. Your eyes are your brain, which is a part of your brain that's out to the outside of your body, but it is part of your brain.
Mm.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Just dumb things I know.
That's for your books, bruh.
Oh, I went to do this kickboxing training, and then from, I don't know how, but I literally ripped the skin under my toe from like kicking and shit. Oh my days, I could not walk.
That's rough.
Yeah.
Hi Max, why wouldn't you take buys with 1905.5? So like above here. I don't know. For me, like what I look at in this zone is this. We've got rejections here. Rejection, bad price action, bad wicks. I don't know. I think once you get above 1907.8, we get a push to 1911. A push down from 1911 before, a push it pushes very quickly in this zone. This is a little bit choppy. And again, I don't like how, for me, this is just making the top wick of the daily. So I'm not comfortable with it anyway, you know, if you know, just like I always look like I want the clean zones, and for me it's a little bit hard until we get above 907.8, so I'm just going to leave it until we get to there. For moi, that is what I'm doing. 25 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Let's try and get a 50 likes. Yeah, I saw Messi's like 50-yard goal. Holy shit! How many goals has he scored already now? He scored fucking way out.
Messi in the MLS looks like me playing against 3-year-old girls.
Yeah. My mate from school said, like, he was, yeah, like, this is the goal, I think. Yeah, look at this. Oh, slotted it in. Yeah, my mate asked on the weekend, he was, like, always a bit shit at football. Like, he was, like, in PE, we had, like, you know, the good team and then, like, the kind of, the spacker team. Well, no, he'd be in the middle. Like, obviously, it's split into 50%. So if you're better than 50% of the people, you'd be above, but you still be pretty shit, right?
Yeah.
He'd be in the middle. Like, he'd be going from like the top team to the bottom team. And he said, like, that's like in the top team, all you do is defend, like, you know, and his whole achievement of the whole thing is just like stopping one goal or whatever. But sometimes when he got dropped to like the fucking shit side, he says he felt like he was fucking prime Messi, scoring like hat tricks and shit. That's literally what Messi's doing right now. He's just playing with the fucking spackers.
Actually feel bad for the other guys. There's nothing I could do that I'd be okay with not winning. I hate losing. But I used to play rock, paper, scissors with my friends, and for money, just to win.
Yeah. Oh yes. Max, have you seen Don's Wick entries? How do you feel about them? I think they're much better than before. I think he's good now because, especially if it's ranging for a lot of times and we're bouncing off supports, man. As long as you get the entry at the right time, which is at supports, you're gonna get 10 pips both ways. Even if it goes the wrong way at the start, it's gonna pull up 10 pips. So he's good. He's good. I think he'd be much more consistent now in terms of like entries and not having to hold fucking 90 pips to draw down just to get 10. So this goalie's coming up, very nice. Oh, let me do a little there. See how it behaves in this area. Yeah, still got a long way. If this zone below was a little bit bigger, I think the retracements there would have been quite nice, but it's still quite small. One random kind of pushing great gold, yeah. That's what Goldie likes to do at the moment. Right, I'm gonna go make myself the second coffee of the day. Get that fuel in, boy. Right, be 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. So yeah, goalie's still right these highs. Still want to see how it deals with this zone over here. But yeah, above 907 is what I want. It's what I need. Oh, Crim in the building. Getting the legs in, boy. Getting the legs in. Broken squat Lizzo. Oh my god. Oh my god. God damn. Man, calm effects with the smoke. So on a 30-minute, yeah, I mean, are you gonna push to 1907? Push. Yeah, for me it was just a bit too wicky. I like the zone above more. Zone above's a little bit easier. For moi. All good, Andrea, all good. We'll see you NY, see you NY. Yeah, so a lot of people in the group have just been leaving in terms of like London stuff. If they can't see anything, just dip. It's the best thing to do, man. When you start to know like what you want to see or what you want to do, it's easy. It means you don't have to sit around. That's a good thing after a while. Like sometimes that you just can bunk off. You don't need to. That is the one thing that I liked about trading. It means that I could come to the charts and see if I want anything. If I'm looking for something. If not, then you can do something else with your day, right? You normally know in the morning if you're gonna get a trade or not. I'm creased by that broken squat, Lizzo.
Was true. A master and an apprentice.
Star Wars always has the.
Oh, I hope it's not shit. I really hope it's not shit. Mandalorian 2 or 3 was absolutely crap. It was no good. Oh, thank you very much for subscribing. Paulo Enrique. This GG is probably going to really fill that candle. But yeah, I mean, above, look at the daily. It was so bullish. It should really refill this daily high. We're right at 185 right now, which is normally a bit of an issue. The easiest to hold on. So yeah, still a bit of rejection. So see what I mean? Like, you just look to the left hand side where there's a lot of wicks. You gotta remember, it's probably like it's gonna be wicky when you're in it as well. In them zones. Whereas if you look to the 5 minute above, you can see every single time we're above 1907.8, we drive. So that's an area that you're gonna most likely get your pips out of it a little bit easier. Especially with the fact, as I said, this is the daily. You need to always keep the daily in mind. What's actually happening? Well, it's actually a closure below. It's a retest, right? We've just broken below this zone here. Okay, so where would you want the retest to be? Well, it would be right here, wouldn't it? So that's why I'm not really wanting to take the buys this early. Because it is just closure below the retest. Where the fuck have you been? I've been here, bro. Been here for an hour, bruh. Do, do, do. Do. Yeah, I can't play music anymore. It proper blocks my whole video, which sucks. For some reason, yeah, this one I played literally like 30 seconds of it. So yeah, 185 right there on GJ for me is a no-go. Big resistance, big psychological levels. GJ holds psychological levels really well. So does gold. That's why, for me, I'm not really looking for the sells down here because they're so close to 1900. One of the biggest psychological levels you're gonna get in gold. So. So on GJ here, the 50 minutes closed bullish. Very, very nice. 3 minutes just closed bullish. Obviously a lower wick would be quite nice. And then you could be potentially look for a buy to fill up the range. How big would this range be? 20 pips. Not bad. We have 30 minutes left for 8 o'clock. How big would the stop be? 18 pips. 18 pip gain. Maybe want this pull down maybe a little bit more. And then it'll be a retest Asian. I quite like this. I quite like this on gold GJ now. Now also we've closed above 185. We should realistically fill the range. gold run is now looking good if 30 minute doesn't have a too deep of a wick. So I'm probably gonna go for this over here on the break of a high here. Yeah, so I'm in right now, guys. Took a buy right here. Stop loss below the previous 15. To fill the rest of this range. 250. And that should be the hourly as well coming back. Yeah. Do 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 do. This one here. True. Yeah, I got in on the flip, bro. Straight into drawdown the second I clicked it. 30 IC, but again, it's... I think for me, it's okay. Does that 1 hour no bottom wick bother you? Nah, that's ages away. To be honest, what I was wanting to do is to get in on the flip and go break even on that wick, but it kind of did it so quickly. And actually on my terminal, I didn't really get there, so... Buying the high is risky on GJ. Yeah, we're not on the high yet though. It should fill this range, especially with this 50-minute candle closing bullish. The only issue is, yeah, maybe that 30 IC that I didn't really see. So we've got 20-something minutes left for London Open. $50-minute has no top wick. What are you on about? There's what's your wick there. You guys blind? To be honest with you, I did want just the push here though, so it's great how we've just rejected the second I got in, but it's how it is. Once you reflip this candle and push again, I'm gonna go break even pretty quick. To the left hand side as well, yeah, they're the wicks that starts at 140. Yeah, Dennis is still ill, bruh. We're in now. Needs the drive. Tap my entry again. Where's your entry on MT? 094. Yeah? Yeah. 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 What, cash? Whoa. 37.5. Very nice. Yeah? Max, would you adjust your stop loss right now to the current 30-minute candle to manage risk? You can do. For me though, the support is it should hold really here. Yeah, I really just want this fucking drive so I can go break even, to be honest. But we just rejected my entry again, which is not the best. I think if people getting in, yeah, I don't really like how there's this 30-minute IC as well, to be honest. Just reflip the candle. But yeah, once you start breaking this high, then I'll move it there. We'll just trail it. What's first TP? First TP is going to be around 250, yeah. Back to the high. Stop loss to break even is going to be like 140, 150, anywhere in here, really. So 4 minutes left for the 15. That'll be a quarter to. Wonderful, GJ. Yeah, man. It's these candles that are catching me out where we have a push. We fill that zone up again to potentially push it to fill the next zone, and then the volume just disappears. Market doesn't like Max now for 2 months in a row. Yeah. Every time I get in a trade, there's just zero volume in my direction. Like, zero. I'd say the last 5 losing trades, my entry has been the resistance. It's all good until this candle works out. I mean, it's, you know, stop loss is safe because it's below the previous zone as well, which is good. I'd rather not come in a deeper push down. We should really get wick up. The good thing is now is that we're above 185, which is nice. So it can act as a support now. So yeah. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Good morning, Christian. How was the gym, brother?
Monday, guys. What's up?
How was the
Hey.
gym, brother?
Yeah, bro. Fucking day.
Yeah, I'm in this GJ stinker. No fucking volume to push that zone. Oh my god. So yeah, 3 minutes now, looking a little bit sussy. 5 minutes still okay. Recently wick this fill. 30 seconds left. Oh god. Isn't there no top wick invalid entry? There is a wick, man. There is a wick. There is a wick. All I wanted was a push for like 5 pips just to fill the wick. And on IC markets, it hasn't filled it. So that's what I was waiting for. Just a little bit of a push. But yeah. I'm sure I'm gonna slap you, man. Five-minute M, yeah. Go for the pineapple. I just wanted some sort of drive to go break even, literally 7 pips away, 6 pips away. But I rejected my entry. God, I'm sick of my fucking trades being trade makes sense overall. Well, I've got in late again. It's how to get into these fucking trades. There's just no entries right now. Expecting, you know, especially this 15-minute candle closing back bullish again, filling that wick to continue to fill a range. Just no fucking volume. Ah, it's so draining.
You're already in this?
Yeah, bro. I don't know why I got in, to be honest. I'm just trying to get into a fucking trade.
Me too.
Just wanted a push, bro. No fucking push. Oh my god, I'm so bored of trading. I'm still in, but yeah, I'm so there right now. Oh my god, there's just no pushes at all ever. In the ranges, boy.
Did you enter us to Canada close?
I generally don't know, bro, anymore. There's no conversation about it, bro. 30-minute close bullish above. We retested, made a lower wick to retest the Asian high, reflipped to push to fill the range. And there's just no fucking push. Yeah, 100%, bro. IC markets fucked up their spread in US 30. How did they fuck it up, boy? Look at the 4 hour. I know, man, but it's just I can't take any trades. Like, there's just not one trade I can take which makes any sense. So, you know, just hoping to get a little bit of a push. Nope. So yeah, probably gonna go sit back in this range now, and Goldie's sitting in this range again.
Gold is sweeping now.
Huh?
Gold's probably gonna sweep.
Yeah. GJ gonna push back down. Oh my god. It's been up. I know, Sash, but when you're just bored of it, it's just so boring. You do all the analysis for all the time frames, and it gives you a fucking range for 3 weeks. Absolutely nothing. It's so boring. Give me something. And also, I haven't traded GJ and gold in a while. Yeah, 100%, bro. Yeah, I didn't see this fucking IC there. Just randomly, impulsively, just jumping in for no reason. Expecting a push more than 1 pip. Goldie rejecting that zone. Yeah. Rejecting again. I generally think once you lose the spark, like the enjoyment, man, trading just gets so fucking boring. I'd rather watch a fucking paint dry than watch this right now. The market should change entry, flips don't work at the moment, 100%, bro. I think GJ is still a buy. It's at the highs. I don't want to be buying the highs, but I thought I could get at least a fucking 4 pip push. I could go break even at the 140 level. But again, there's ICs there and all that fucking malarkey. So, and then the 4 hours an order block as well, which I didn't really see. It's just Just how it is, man. I wish I could go back to the old days where I just looked for a clean range, took my 10 pips and dip, but yeah, things have changed. There's no fucking zone. There's no zones. Hey Max, the canal's already travelled too far too quickly. Yeah, true, man. It's recently, man, the pushes and then the range after is just so slow after. So if you don't get the initial push, which obviously is mainly news, you're just sitting in a range doing fuck all for 3 hours. Do do. Yeah. Take the opposite trade you were gonna take and have 100% win rate. Yeah, 100% recently anyway. Still in my stops, 184, 800. Very nice. You got bigger stops. Yeah, I might have to do Dom where I just use fucking huge stops and just take 10 pips. Maybe the setups. Never lose, baby. What do you think? Q's not here. Christian, what do you think of Goldie, bro?
Fucking rank, bro.
I just knew you were gonna say that.
It's
Fucking range, bro. I agree. The fucking range, bro. She's so boring this week. Come on. $15.5 close bullish again. GJ going to drive now as it hits stops. Yeah, I shouldn't have really entered it. Maybe a little bit high up. I should have got in there, but as again, I just expected a little bit of a push. What do you say about gold fake out sells? I'm not touching that zone. Today is FOMC, so I might call it. Nah, it's just FOMC meeting minutes, not actually FOMC, bro. Don't you worry about that, brother. Gold has the potential for second chance. Wait, what? What trade were you in before on Goldie? What is gold waiting for? Lord have mercy. What else? England, Australia, semi-final. 30-minute closure back in the range. Oh, and Goldie. Yeah. So obviously GJ's still holding the zone here, which is fine. So it should eventually trickle up, but yeah, not in my candle. Yeah, I'll do it later, bro. I'll see it now. Yeah, hovering right at 185 is the only issue for the thing. It's also the IC is still holding, which you didn't really see before. Let's see though, the 5 minute, you know, closed strongly bullish again, looking like it's holding Asian highs. I'm not going for it again though, fuck that shit. Yeah, I know, Sash. I know. That was completely impulsive. So we closed 8 o'clock now. Hourly closed above. No low wick yet, but should probably continue to fill a range, just like I said before on the 30 closure. But yeah, first push has been a bit too late, as I've been recently, just a bit too late. Now push. Was an M on the 3? Yeah, it was a little M on the 3. I managed the Dom way, got my pineapple right at the bottom wick and got out break even. Oh, nice. Good job. Yeah, break and retest. Yeah, I've just got in a bit too early again. I'm just not in the right space for trading right now. It's just not. Especially when the charts look like this. It's so slow. So that's why I've been backing off recently, taking one L every so often. Typical tapping is out like 2 pips, yeah. Yeah, boy. Take a break and come away with a fresh mind. I have though. I've barely been working the past fucking 2 months. It's just when you lose, like, you know, I started this for, you know, fun, enjoyment, but when you lose that, it's just, it's hard, man. It's hard to keep going. That's all. It's fucking boring. Fair value gap fill from the news. Let's see then, see if we get this push now. If you got in early, I'd probably be break even at these highs. Just hope it pops. Run 13 pips about. Very nice, very nice. Dirty close bearish and GA, but nothing really above. Yeah, man. To be fair, we just didn't wait for the retest. But to be fair, if you look at the 5 already wicked, so that's why I don't really care too much about it. But again, just break a retest. GJ pushing without a bottom wick is crazy. Yeah, but it's 8 o'clock though, isn't it? 8 o'clock brings a lot of volume. Gold celery to push to 1910 on the 30. If you trust this zone to the left, which I don't, I could see it. Hello Max, why are you limited your trades as compared to past? You can't take any trades. Because the zones are shit. My whole ethos and the way that I traded was from clean zones. There's none. There's 0 clean zones. Apart from obviously this one's alright. But for the most part in recent times, there's been barely any clean zones. Breaks. The pushes have been coming in the zones. So you've got to be trading in the zones. Have you not seen recently now? Even Don, if you look at a zone back in, 2 months ago, Don would look for a closure above a zone, wouldn't he, on the 5, and then lower wick flip, you take it, right? Now what's he doing? He's getting into trades like buys at support and sells at resistance. Because again, we're not breaking, we're just ping-ponging. So it's just how the markets are right now. %, Tommy. You gotta adapt to the markets, yeah, I know. When it's... And obviously in recent times here, it's just fucking crap. But again, if it's based on, like, obviously, we do backtesting, looking at different ways, and we've done a lot of that recently, and we've refined it, but it is very hard to change from one thing to another. And also, it's not as fun. Like, you need to also remember, the reason why I liked it was because you could turn up 7 or 8 o'clock, take one trade, 10 pips. 11, 12 o'clock, take one trade, 10 pips. Bob's your uncle done. Now you have to stare at the fucking charts all day, wait for that one push that'll happen randomly in the day. It's not fun anymore. It's boring. How much down for the month? I don't know, like 3% or something, 4%. Like that. I think that's the issue. I'm finding it quite boring, which is the struggle with it. You need to find it interesting, fascinating, and I'm not anymore. That's the main issue. So if you got in down here, then yeah, I'll be closing some probably here right now on the 15. Nice. Nice push. Shame I had to wick me out by 2 pips. But yeah, just the retest. $2024 is going to be wild in the markets, that's for sure. Well, it's going to be interesting when they put all the cryptos out and stuff. It's going to be very interesting. Very, very interesting. Fuck. I just put in the chat, fuck gold. It's not bad, eh? 30-minute close bearish. Top wick flip. Didn't really give much of a wick, but it gave a little one. Nice, Kiko. You got it on there just 8 o'clock straight off. It's the retest. That's class. Very nice. Everything in general is a lot slower. Yeah. So I think the only thing to really do now, yeah, is wait for Goldie to get above 1907. You fix your apartment now? Yeah, but they try to clean this carpet and they've made it stink more, so that's great. This room fucking hums. I generally feel like Roger's strategy is the most simplistic. Yeah, because I don't know. His trades back in the day were not the trades he was taking now, I'll tell you that. Would you take an M on here on GJ? It's too overall bullish. I mean, maybe at these highs, but much later on. Much later on. I need a little love, knowing not to tease. there we go. Went to the resistance. Very nice. Wiki targets for GJ, you gotta look to the left, man. It's very, very long ago as well, like 2015, 2016. So if you look at the weekly, where would you want it to continue to? $186,600. That'll be your target. Above 185,300, I see buy side liquidity. Yeah. Again, I wouldn't be taking buys above here. I wanted the buys below, which is what I got into, but I just didn't wait for the retrace. Well, I did. The 30-minute candle retraced. Maybe not as deep as I expected, but yeah. I mean, could have been safer. Could I have moved my stop loss to there? I could have. These are the things, like just giving it a bit more room. Is if you're getting in a bit too late, getting in a bit more room, it's gonna be easy. And yeah, this gold's washed. Washed, boy. It's been a difficult month overall. It's been a slower month. Yeah, it's been slower, but in terms of support and resistance, it's like, you know, people can make good use of it. I've been in a buy since the fair value gap fill. Actually, not buying now. Very nice. And there we go, GJ done. So I think, yeah, good stuff. I think we're gonna have to wait until later on for Goldie, but GJ, I wanted the buys again. I just didn't wait for the retracement maybe as much as I should have. It got down to 990. It got back down to 950, but yeah, we had a bit of a pullback over here. Re-entries, if you wanted to get in, would probably have been there. Yeah, that was nice. But apart from that, I think it's all good this morning. So one trade idea right. Unfortunately, it was an L though. We took the high, no push when we got in, and unfortunately stopped us out by 1 pip. But yeah, overall, GJ is still bullish, ready to fly. Oh, that would be nice for a runner as well. Oh well, it is what it is. On to the next one. We'll see you guys later on. See you later, Christian. See you later, everyone. See you guys at NY. I've got a simulation session in an hour's time. We'll do it at 9:30. Peace out, guys. Adios, amigos. See you later, alligator. Peace out, peace out, peace out. See you later, YouTube. Peace out, guys. Adios, amigos. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye, 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 bye.